Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, open your laptop, and just one skill you learned in the last 24 hours starts making you $10,000 per month. Now, that might sound like hype, but stay with me, because I'm going to explain exactly how one artificial intelligence skill, when learned strategically, can generate real, recurring income in less than 30 days of consistent effort. This video isn't about overnight success, it's about applying focus, smart systems, and demand-driven skills, the kind of skills businesses are desperately paying for right now. The skill is AI automation using no-code workflows. By the end of this video, you'll know how to learn it in 24 hours, what tools to master, how to package your service, and how to turn it into a consistent $10,000 per month business. Why AI automation is the perfect skill right now. We live in a world that's shifting fast. Every business, from small e-commerce shops to six-figure coaching brands, is trying to save time, cut costs, and work smarter. AI is the ultimate solution. But here's the catch. Most business owners don't know how to use tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, or OpenAI's API to automate real work. They know AI can do amazing things, but they have no idea how to connect it to their workflow. And that's where you come in. This creates the perfect entry point for AI automation freelancers, consultants, and creators. Businesses today are paying $500 to $5,000 per project for automation setups that save them hours every week. Your value? Time. If you can help someone save 10 hours a week using AI, they'll gladly pay you hundreds or even thousands because your automation works 24/7. The skill: AI automation with no-code tools. So what exactly are we talking about? When I say AI automation, I'm not referring to coding Python or building complex machine learning models. I'm talking about connecting powerful AI models like GPT-4 or Claude to everyday apps using no-code tools such as Zapier Make, formerly Integromat Whalesync, Bardeen ChatGPT with custom GPTs and actions. This means you can build sophisticated automations without writing a single line of code. For example, automatically respond to customer inquiries using ChatGPT, summarize internal Slack messages into daily email digests, generate personalized marketing content for an agency client, turn spreadsheet data into reports or emails using AI. These examples aren't hypothetical. Companies are paying for exactly these workflows. The 24-hour learning plan. Here's how you can learn this in 24 hours, structured and strategic. Hour 1 to 3. Understand the landscape, learn what AI automation means. Watch tutorials on how no-code tools connect different software. Read a few case studies. Learn what real businesses are automating. Hour 4 to 8. Master the tools. Pick one connector tool, Zapier or Make. Create a free account and build at least 2 sample workflows. Example 1. Every time a new row is added to Google Sheets, summarize it with ChatGPT and send it as an email. Example 2. When someone fills out a type form, automatically generate a thank you message using ChatGPT and post it to Slack. Hour 9 to 14. Add AI processes. Learn how to use OpenAI's API key with your automation tool. Modify your workflow to include text generation or summarization. Experiment with prompt engineering. Try achieving different tones and voices. Hour 15 to 18. Build your portfolio, document every automation you build. Create 2 to 3 real examples businesses would pay for. Example 1. An AI lead follow-up system. Example 2. Automated content planner using ChatGPT and Google Docs. Example 3. Email summarizer for busy executives. Hour 19 to 23. Learn to package and sell. Go to Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. Search for AI automation or Zapier plus GPT. Study what other freelancers are offering. Create your freelance profile or personal portfolio page using Notion or Card. Hour 24. Launch publicly post on LinkedIn or Twitter, now X. Just built an AI automation that saves businesses 10 hours a week. Want me to automate one of your workflows? Engage with replies. Offer 2 to 3 free demos to get testimonials. By the end of these 24 hours, you'll know enough to start selling automation setups immediately. Turning skill into income. Now let's talk about making $10,000 per month. There are 3 income models here. Freelance projects. Offer one-off automation builds priced between $300 and $1,000. 10 clients at $1,000 per month or 20 at $500 each equals $10,000 per month. Monthly retainers. Businesses often want ongoing support. You can charge $1,000 to $2,000 per month to maintain automations, optimize workflows, and create new ones. Digital products. Once you've built multiple automations, package them as templates. Sell them on marketplaces like Gumroad or Etsy. A $50 template selling 200 times equals $10,000 with no ongoing effort. Combine any 2 models and you can sustain consistent 5-figure months. Real-time market demand. AI automation demand is booming. According to LinkedIn's 2025 Emerging Jobs Report, roles involving AI tools and workflow automation have grown by over 80% year over year. Here's the interesting part. Companies aren't just hiring developers anymore. They're hiring AI implementers, someone who knows how to set up automations between AI tools and CRMS, manage prompt optimization, integrate ChatGPT into existing processes. From small businesses to big agencies, this is an exploding market niche that needs people fast. Example, success stories. To make this real, let's look at 3 success stories of people who mastered this in weeks. 1. Daniel, a freelancer from Austin. Daniel learned Zapier and GPT integrations. Within 1 month, he built an automation that summarized Zoom meeting recordings into action items for clients. He pitched it to business coaches. His first 3 clients paid him $750 each for setup. Within 2 months, he hit over $10,000 in total revenue. 2. Nisha, a virtual assistant from India. Nisha used ChatGPT with Make to create automated content calendars for clients. Instead of manually planning social media content, she built a system that generated captions, hashtags, and schedules automatically. She now sells this service for $499. By taking on 20 clients, she comfortably crossed the 10,000 month mark. 3. Alex, a marketing consultant. Alex built custom AI bots for real estate agencies that responded to leads on autopilot. Using ChatGPT actions, WhatsApp integration, and a CRM, his system increased client conversions. He charges $2,000 to $3,000 per automation and consults globally. These aren't tech wizards. They leveraged practical, result-oriented AI workflows. The real secret: systems thinking learning. The tools is easy. The real key is systems thinking. System builders see how tasks connect. Input, process, output. AI automators ask, what's repetitive in this business? What can I delegate to AI? How can I connect apps without needing a developer? That mindset turns anyone, from a copywriter to a marketer, into an automation expert. Your clients care less about the tool and more about the result. Time saved, costs reduced, and productivity increased. Tools. You must know, you only need 5 platforms to get started fast. OpenAI, ChatGPT/GPT-4 for language generation. Zapier or Make for connecting apps and automating workflows. Airtable or Google Sheets for managing input-output data. Notion or ClickUp for organizing automation dashboards. Canva, Gamma, Descript for creating visual outputs or content summaries. Learn to automate one small task per tool daily, and you'll compound your skill set exponentially. Building credibility online. The fastest way to build authority in this space is by documenting your learning. Every time you create an automation, record a 60-second screen share. Post it on YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Title it like, How I Automated a $500 Task in 10 Minutes Using ChatGPT. Within weeks, businesses will start reaching out for help. People love seeing real use cases. They'll pay for them too. Scaling beyond freelancing. Once you've worked with several clients, you can scale in 3 directions. Automation agency, hire other automation builders. Focus on outreach while your team delivers workflows. Online course or cohort. Teach others your process of finding clients, building automations, and packaging services. White label SaaS systems. Convert your automations into small SaaS products using tools like Software or Glide. Sell access on a subscription basis. Each model can surpass the $10,000 mark and move toward $50,000 a month or more. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are the pitfalls beginners often face. Learning too many tools at once. Focus on one automation platform first. Undervaluing your work. Even simple workflows can bring huge value. Overcomplicating solutions. The best automations solve small, clear problems. Skipping documentation. Always record your setup steps for client trust and reuse. Remember, clients buy clarity more than complexity. 24-hour challenge breakdown. Recap. So, if you want to get started today, here's your compact roadmap again. Hours 1-3. Understand AI automation basics. Hours 4 to 8. Learn to connect apps using Zapier or Make. Hours 9 to 14. Add ChatGPT functionality with real prompts. Hours 15 to 18. Build real-life business use cases. Hours 19 to 23. Create a freelance profile and portfolio. Hour 24. Go public, share it, offer demos, and get your first client. If you stick to this, you'll have enough knowledge to make $10,000 per month within your first 30 to 45 days of implementation. The future of AI work. The future belongs to those who can bridge the gap between AI tools and real business value. In this decade, businesses will not just want automation, they'll need it to survive. Those who can implement it will become invaluable. You don't need a degree, you need opportunity velocity, the ability to learn and apply faster than others. And AI automation is the perfect field for that right now. Your action plan? Here's what you can do immediately after this video. Create accounts on ChatGPT, Pro, Zapier, or Make Google Sheets. Build your first automation today. Take any task you repeat daily. Summarizing emails, formatting text, etc. Automate it using ChatGPT and Zapier. Post your result publicly within 48 hours. That one post can attract your first client. Final motivation. You don't need to be a genius. You need speed, focus, and curiosity. Every automation you build creates leverage. Leverage with your time, your skills, and your income potential. Start learning this skill today and imagine where you can be in the next 30 days. Maybe $10,000 per month sounds far now, but remember, you're one automation away from changing your future. If you learned something valuable, hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on mastering AI and turning it into income.